What is a structure in C? A. A data type that allows storage of different data types. B. A type of loop. C. A preprocessor directive. D. None of the above. The right answer is A. A data type that allows storage of different data types. Which keyword is used to define a structure? A. Struct. B. Structure. C. Union. D. Define. The right answer is A. Struct. Is there easy way to print enumeration values symbolically? A. Yes. B. No. The right answer is B. No. Presence of code like s.t.b equals 10 indicates A. Syntax error. B. Structure. C. Double data type. D. An ordinary variable name. The right answer is B. Structure. Which operator is used to access members of a structure using a pointer to that structure? A. Dot operator. B. Address of operator. C. Dereference operator. D. Arrow operator. The right answer is D. Arrow operator. What is actually passed if you pass a structure variable to a function? A. Copy of structure variable. B. Reference of structure variable. C. Starting address of structure variable. D. Ending address of structure variable. The right answer is A. Copy of structure variable. Which is true about nested structures? A. One structure cannot be used inside another structure. B. A structure can contain another structure as a member. C. Only arrays can be nested. D. Nested structures require dynamic memory. The right answer is B. A structure can contain another structure as a member. What is the size of an empty structure? A. 1 byte. B. 0 bytes. C. Size is undefined. D. Depends on compiler. The right answer is A. 1 byte. What will happen when the structure is declared? A. It will not allocate any memory. B. It will allocate the memory. C. It will be declared and initialized. D. None of the mentioned. The right answer is A. It will not allocate any memory. What is the similarity between a structure, union, and enumeration? A. All of them let you define new values. B. All of them let you define new data types. C. All of them let you define new pointers. D. All of them let you define new structures. The right answer is B. All of them let you define new data types. Choose a correct statement about C structures. A. A structure can contain same structure type member. B. A structure size is limited by only physical memory of that PC. C. You can define an unlimited number of members inside a structure. D. All the above. The right answer is D. All the above. How is memory allocated in a union? A. Sum of all members. B. Memory of the largest member. C. Memory of the first member. D. No memory is allocated. The right answer is B. Memory of the largest member. Which of the following cannot be a structure member? A. Another structure. B. Function. C. Array. D. None of the mentioned. The right answer is B. Function. What is the default value of structure members? A. 0. B. Null. C. Garbage. D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Garbage. Which of the following return type cannot be used for a function in C? A. Character pointer. B. Struct. C. Void. D. None of the mentioned. The right answer is D. None of the mentioned. A. C structure or user-defined data type is also called A. Derived data type. B. Secondary data type. C. Aggregate data type. D. All the above. The right answer is D. All the above. What is the advantage of passing a structure by reference to a function? A. It simplifies the function call. B. It allows the function to modify the original structure. C. It prevents any modification of the structure. D. It is only used for small structures. The right answer is B. It allows the function to modify the original structure. How is a structure initialized in C? A. By using malloc function. B. By assigning values directly using curly braces. C. By calling strcpy function. D. By using scanf function. The right answer is B. By assigning values directly using curly braces. Which of the following statements correct? Maruti.engine.bols equals 25. A. Structure bols is nested within structure engine. B. Structure engine is nested within structure Maruti. C. Structure Maruti is nested within structure engine. D. Structure Maruti is nested within structure bols. The right answer is B. Structure engine is nested within structure Maruti. Which of the following is true about structure and union? A. Both can hold different data types. B. Structure stores all members, union shares memory. C. Union stores all members, structure shares memory. D. None of the above. The right answer is B. Structure stores all members, union shares memory. A union cannot be nested in a structure. A. True. B. False. The right answer is B. False. Which of the following uses structure? A. Array of structures. B. Linked lists. C. Binary tree. D. All of the mentioned. The right answer is D. All of the mentioned. In a structure, what are the members also known as? A. Variables. B. Properties. C. Objects. D. Elements. The right answer is A. Variables. What is the benefit of using nested structures? A. They save memory by eliminating redundant data. B. They help in organizing complex data into logical units. C. They improve the speed of execution. D. They are mandatory for all C programs. The right answer is B. They help in organizing complex data into logical units. Which of the following can be used to pass a structure to a function? A. By value. B. By reference. C. Both A and B. D. None. The right answer is C. Both A and B. Which keyword is used to define a user-defined structure? A. Typedef. B. Struct. C. Class. D. Define. The right answer is A. Typedef. Which of the following operation is illegal in structures? A. Typecasting of structure. B. Pointer to a variable of the same structure. C. Dynamic allocation of memory for structure. D. All of the mentioned. The right answer is A. Typecasting of structure. Which of the following are themselves a collection of different data types? A. String. B. Structure. C. Character. D. All of the mentioned. The right answer is B. Structure. What is the default initial value of members of a globally declared structure variable? A. Random values. B. 0. C. Garbage values. D. Null. The right answer is B. 0. What is an array of structures? A. Array where each element is a structure. B. Structure containing arrays. C. Nested structure. D. None of the above. The right answer is A. Array where each element is a structure.